There's another area that goes down towards the Fraser. Lots of stacked rocks around me. Very, very interesting. I'm going to head down towards the river, see what that leads us to. I'm going to take you with me. Sorry for the shaky video. These rocks seem to keep moving. Huh. Looks like it goes straight down the hill here. Just when they ran off all their probably waste. Or maybe this is where their sluice boxes were. Huh. I don't see anything. I want to see a gigantic trench next door. Let's go there. See what this looks like on the back side. Oh, this is absolutely massive. Wow. Try to get you guys a better look at this. Wow. You can see. I'm going to get us down there so we can get a better look. And I don't break something or fall. I'll take you guys with me. Here we go. Okay. Wow. Wow, this is incredible. Check this out. This wall's got to be 20 feet tall. Let's investigate. Oh, it's cool down here. It's like 97 out. And it feels like about 70 here. Just go straight down to the river here. I'm almost 6 feet tall, so these have got to be up there at least 15, maybe 20. See where this takes us to. I don't see any sluice boxes or anything, so, but that was probably all wood and is long gone. All right.